Dear investors, the end of 2020 is approaching. It has been very unusual, but at the same time interesting year. Challenging for many businesses, but I do believe that each challenge comes with an opportunity. Today, I would like to make a recap on what happened at Reinvest24 in 2020, what we have achieved, and also share some plans for the upcoming year. In general, 2020 was very successful for us. Many meaningful goals and outstanding milestones were achieved. For example, this year we funded 22 projects, which is almost 3 times more than last year. In total, we financed 3.2 million euros of projects and paid out to our investors 1.15 million euros. Our focus on reliability and security proved itself right, as even in the time of COVID, we were able to successfully exit 5 of our properties, generating to our investors on average above 14% returns. The COVID did not cause any serious issues to our investment properties. This was due to a fact that our property selection process has always been very conservative. Looking back at this period, I can say that COVID helped us to secure better deals for our investors. One of the most notable milestones we achieved was a partnership with experienced international developer, which boosted our expansion to 3 new markets: Latvia, Moldova, and Spain. It is also important to mention that as of today, Reinvest24 is providing real estate investments with one of the highest interest rates in Europe. The current times are providing many opportunities on different markets, and we aim to bring them to you, just like we have done with Moldova. We saw an opportunity on that market and entered it, offering you development projects from that area. Recently, the developer has reported that his average selling prices have gone up from 650 euros per square meter to 800 euros. We're quite happy with that fact, as this growth makes those projects even more secure and reliable. Even though we are working with just 50% LTV there, which is already very secure. We also improved the transparency of the platform and introduced the property and platform quarter overviews, as well as article series called the Insider Updates. We monitor all our development projects very closely, and in these articles we share you the overviews of the construction works, as well as some images and videos from the construction site, so that you can be up to date with everything. Moving on to platform developments. A couple months ago, I was extremely happy to announce that the secondary market is launched. The implementation of it was very challenging. Not everything went as smooth as planned, but nevertheless, we did it, and we are extremely happy with the result. Some interesting facts. So far there have been 1,821 transactions on the secondary market. The biggest discount has been -10% and the biggest premium plus 1,000%. We even had to introduce limits on the upside to avoid these kind of fluctuations. And we see that this tool is being used for different purposes. Some are using it to increase their portfolio with their favorite properties. Some are looking for the most profitable deals, and some to reinvest their monthly earnings. But there are actually some more hidden possibilities how this tool can be used, which we will introduce you next year. So far, we have received a lot of positive feedback, and some of our investors have shared their opinion that it's one of the best in the industry. Our whole team is extremely happy to receive this kind of feedback. So please guys, keep sharing your opinion with us. It means a lot to us. As now you are able to invest into projects in Spain, we just couldn't ignore the fact that we didn't have the Spanish language on the platform. But not anymore, as our whole platform is fully in Spanish language. All the property descriptions and blog articles will also be in Spanish language from now on. As one of the factors that was stopping the investors from joining our platform was the 2% entry fee that we had. In September, we decided to cut that fee into half. So now you are able to earn 1% more from those secure real estate investments that we offer to you. As I talk about the investors joining the platform, this year we welcome 2,037 new investors. Couple words about our rental properties. In the Q1 next year, we're going to conduct appraisal reports for 3 of our properties. In the Q2, we're going to finalize the 2 planned exits, which I have also mentioned in the property overviews. In the next year, you can also expect more property video updates about our ongoing properties. More about rental properties in the upcoming quarter property overview article. In 2021, Reinvest24 strategic plans are to expand the platform operations without losing any quality in the projects we offer to you. We're still very conservative with our property selection process, as well as who we cooperate with. This is something that will remain our focus over the years. In the beginning of the year, we have some interesting announcements. Our expansion plans will cover new markets, new partnerships, and most likely new products as well. But as we learned from our past experience, we rather deliver results than give out any promises. Now, with the crowdfunding regulations accepted by the Europe and propagated to the EU countries, we're looking forward to go under that regulation once it becomes possible in Estonia. Currently, it is a work in progress for the Estonian Ministry of Finance. In terms of platform developments, the next features we plan to implement are loyalty program, 2-factor authentication, and update of investors cabinets, which will cover implementation of statistics, payment schedules, property updates, and a lot more useful information. To conclude, I would like to say thank you for your continued support and trust in us. We are looking forward to being your reliable long-term investment partner also in 2021. From the whole Reinvest24 team, we wish you happy, healthy, and safe new year.